Which is the national bird of India? The peacock is the national bird of India and displays its magnificent tail with over 200 feathers during courtship. Which is the largest planet in our solar system? Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system and is so massive that over 1,300 Earths could fit inside it. What is the capital of France? Paris, the capital of France, is home to the Eiffel Tower, which was originally intended to be a temporary structure. What is the chemical symbol for gold? O is the chemical symbol for gold and it comes from the Latin word aurum, which means shining dawn. What is the fastest land animal on Earth? The cheetah is the fastest land animal on Earth and can reach speeds of up to 70 miles per hour in short bursts. What is the smallest bone in the human body? The stapes is the smallest bone in the human body, located in the middle ear, and is only about 2.8 millimeters long. Which ocean is the deepest? The Pacific Ocean is the deepest ocean, and it contains the Mariana Trench, which reaches depths of about 35,876 feet. Who is known as the father of computers? Charles Babbage is known as the father of computers because he designed the analytical engine in the 1830s. Which is the largest desert in the world? The Antarctic Desert is the largest desert in the world because Antarctica receives very little precipitation, even though it is covered in ice. In which country was William Shakespeare born? William Shakespeare was born in England and wrote plays and poems that introduced over 1,700 new words into the English language.